creamy Italian pasta salad. It's the sort of dish that makes you feel like you're living the good life right there in your kitchen. Um, you might think it's complicated, a culinary fortress of sorts, but trust me, it's surprisingly simple. Um, Start with the pasta itself. Um, Choose rotini or fusilli. Their spirals trap the creamy dressing beautifully. Cook them to al dente, following the instructions on the package. Think of this as the backbone of your salad, sturdy yet responsive. Now, the vegetables. Go for cherry tomatoes, diced cucumbers, and bell peppers for that fresh crunch. These vibrant veggies not only add color, but pack a nutrient punch. They're like the supporting cast that makes the leading stars shine. And Italian cuisine loves its cheese. Cubes of mozzarella are a must. They're mild yet creamy, adding a delightful texture to every bite. It's like the cheese hugs the pasta, creating a comforting embrace for your taste buds. And for added zest, consider some black olives and red onions. Slice them thinly. They bring that contrasting sharpness and a hint of bitterness. It's all about the balance between the mellow and the tangy, sort of yin yang for your salad. Don't forget the protein. I prefer grilled chicken breast or salami slices. You can't go wrong here. And they satisfy heartier appetites and add that extra layer of flavor complexity, like a crescendo in a symphony. The dressing is the heart of the melody. Mixed mayo, sour cream, Italian seasoning, and a splash of red vinegar. Whisk until smooth. This creamy elixir will bind all ingredients into a cohesive narrative of deliciousness. And here's a pro tip. Refrigerate the salad for at least an hour before serving. This marination time allows the flavors to mingle and mature, providing a more robust, cohesive taste when it hits the table. When serving, garnish with fresh basil or parsley. These fresh herbs can elevate your dish, turning a simple salad into a sensory celebration. Visual and fragrant, they make it undeniably inviting. Now, the pain point, and it's easy to make too much. And this salad is deceptively filling, but fret not, it's perfect for leftovers. The flavors deepen by the day, making tomorrow's lunch just as epic. Experiment with ingredients. And if you're daring, try adding artichokes or sun-dried tomatoes. They introduce an exotic flair, transforming the classic into something uniquely your own. It's about making it feel personal. In Portland, we often enjoy such dishes al fresco. Whether you have a backyard or a cozy balcony, this salad thrives in open air settings. And the perfect dish for relishing the Pacific Northwest vibes. So next time you're craving a pasta dish with flair, remember, creamy Italian pasta salad stands as a testament to simple yet bold flavors. It's a little slice of culinary paradise that's easy to achieve, and enjoy.